What's up guys, Ekba here with you guys today, doing an unboxing video of the Apple Mac Mini with the M1 chip. So as I explained in my previous video unboxing the AirPods Pro, which you can see in the top right corner here, I discussed the Apple Education pricing package that is offered for most of their Mac models, which includes a set of AirPods for free, or you can choose to upgrade to the AirPods Pro with a discounted price, in that case 110 Canadian dollars. And of course, Macs themselves were discounted originally from the education discounted package, in this case, the M1 Mac Mini for me. So I'll let you guys watch the AirPods Pro video first to get information about the Apple Education pricing package. However, this video will be dedicated just to the Mac Mini itself, as you can see here, and just going over its general features, what configuration I got, and the unboxing experience in general. So setup videos and benchmark scores are all available on the internet, which you can find yourself by simply Googling them or going on YouTube and looking at other videos. So I will not be going over the setup process or the benchmark scores for the M1 Mac Mini, as they are all the same. I'll just be looking at the spec that I got today in terms of storage and memory and why I chose those options instead of like a base model, for example. The reason why I got the 1 terabyte storage option is because I just prefer the more integrated storage over using an external hard drive, which I do have. I do have a Samsung T7 SSD, 500 gigabytes, which I'll be using for file transfer, but built-in storage, in my opinion, is still a better option for just high-speed access to photos, videos, and just in general, a smoother work experience on the computer. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing of the M1 Mac Mini. So on the front of the box you see here, there's a picture of the Mac Mini. On the bottom of the box, pretty hefty box actually, you get Mac Mini on the bottom. On the side, nothing. Mac Mini again on the top, over here, and blank again. On the bottom here, you're gonna see the configuration that I picked. There's probably a lot of glare because my camera is not set up correctly, but that's fine. Yeah, so you're gonna see here, Mac Mini, 8-core CPU, 16 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte. That is the configuration that I chose here. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing underneath here. I'm gonna take my knife and cut it open. There we go. Should be able to just peel this right back and it'll come apart. With the plastic off, we can turn the device over, or the box over, and lift up the top here, revealing the Mac Mini itself on the inside. There'll be a pull tab here. So of course, the M1 Mac Mini is now back to the original silver color and no longer the space gray. If you wanted a space gray Mac Mini in brand new condition, you have to be buying an Intel CPU Mac Mini. Pulling this little tab here lifts the computer up, which I'll be moving aside for now. On the inside of the box, you're gonna see designed by Apple in California, which is typical for Apple products. Inside, you will see a few papers for warranty and just for setup information, along with a very large Apple sticker in space gray, or I guess just a light silver. It's no longer white, and as you can see, compared to the size of my hand, this is a very, very large Apple sticker, which is very interesting. Underneath the information packet, you will have a power cord, and that is it with the Mac Mini, which means you will have to supply yourself a keyboard, a mouse, and a monitor, and of course speakers as well if you want to listen to what your computer is playing. I have all those devices with me already, so there is no reason for buying, for example, an iMac, because I have my own monitor, my own Logitech MX keyboard, and my own Razer mouse. So for the actual Mac Mini itself, it's wrapped inside this plastic here, which when you flip it over, you'll see a tab here to pull, allowing you to reveal the Mac Mini itself. On the bottom here, you're going to see there's going to be no screws included, just a simple plastic back. This is removable, however, Apple doesn't recommend you do it because nothing is really user upgradable on the inside. On the front here, you're going to have a clean face with a little power LED down here. On the top, as usual for a Mac Mini, a silver finish with a black Apple logo in the middle. On the back here, you're going to have a little pull tab, which you will be able to move and slide across, revealing the I/O ports. So the 2021 Mac Mini, or 2020 Mac Mini with the M1 chip, does have different I/O ports from the Intel Mac Mini, the new version. On the left side here, you're going to have a power button, your power cord input, a gigabit or a 10 gigabit Ethernet port, depending on which configuration you choose. Different here on this Mac Mini with the M1 chip is you're going to have 2 USB-C ports instead of the 4 on the previous Mac Mini. Not a huge deal, but it is a lack of ports due to the M1 chip not being able to handle as much. HDMI port, which I'll be using for the display, 2 standard USB-A ports, which I'm very happy about because that means much more expansion capabilities. You have your ventilation and a headphone jack. Those are the I/O ports that are included with the M1 Mac Mini. That's basically it. There is the M1 Mac Mini unboxed. Make sure to check out the AirPods Pro video that I released a few days ago explaining the Apple Education Fund program. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Tech Boot.